spider now.
The taste is here. The taste is here, not in the legs. Like crab. Legs are like crab. Inside you eat.
I can't look at it.
Eat the middle. Eat the middle. Bite. That's the tasty portion.
Yummy.
Yummy.
You know why?
It's all about the first bite. There you are there.
How's it? It's yum. But it's nice. It is
You know
very
why
nice.
he had Coca-Cola? Things go better with Coke.
It tastes better with Coke. Spiders always taste better with Coke. I've been eating spiders for many years. But this is the best food I've eaten. So.
One day the spider will eat you.
You've seen Hindi movies, na? Uski maa aayegi.
बदला लेगी आगे
To try, man. To try everything. अभी फोटो खींचना.
Did you try the cricket?
Yeah, I think I'm gonna puke now.